We export Dongfeng 6.8-meter refrigerated trucks with hydraulic tailgates. Bulk shipments are available. Customization of export refrigerated trucks is possible, and chassis brands are selectable. I am Chen Yuan from a leading Chinese special purpose truck factory with over 10 years of export experience. Our products are sold to numerous regions worldwide, including Sierra Leone, Liberia, Burkina Faso, Niger, Nigeria, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Sudan, and South Sudan. We supply trucks to Eritrea, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Somalia, Burundi, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Sao Tome and Principe, Comoros, Laos, Cambodia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, Yemen, Turkey, Israel, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Venezuela, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Costa Rica, Panama, Dominican Republic, and Haiti. We offer customizable gasoline, electric, hybrid, hydrogen, and natural gas trucks, compatible with light, medium, and heavy duty trucks and mainstream brand chassis.